All right, y'all, I'm back with another video. Bills done right. So on today's episode of today's video, we pretty much just gonna be going through how to change out those ugly existing drop down lights or can lights to something, you know, a little bit more modern with the LED. So you go to your neighborhood home improvement store, you find you a box similar to this, you know, color changing, recess, you know, the trim lights. So you take one out of the pack, it's gonna be a light like this. They have 5 different settings along the back. Okay, you have warm white, soft white, neutral white, bright white, and daylight. You're gonna take your light out. You're gonna take this little thing out here. You're gonna plug it into the back of the light. Simple. Like literally, you can't mess this up. You plug this into the back of the light. 1 second. So, I'm gonna go ahead. Let's see here. Set that there for now. Plug it into the back of the light. You heard the snap. All right, it's plugged into the back of the light. Done, right? Next step, you're gonna go up your ladder. If you're an 8 foot tall individual, you might not need a ladder, but I need one because I'm not 8 feet tall. So go up your ladder. This is the part right here. You screw your bulb out, obviously. They're gonna have an existing plate on there, so you pull down the existing plate. There's gonna be a spring mechanism on each side, just like this one, or similar to this one. You have 2 springs on each side, or a spring on each side, right? Slide it down, push it in together, push these pins, push this in to get that side out, and the same thing for the opposite side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw on this portion where the old light bulb used to be into that. Okay. 1 second. All right, let's see here. Go ahead, just screw it in. Just like that. It's been screwed in. Lights hanging, it's fine. Screwed in. All right. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pinch in the sides of these right here. Pinch it in just like that. And I'm gonna push it in that clip right there for one side, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. I'm just gonna push that up in there like that. One side, other side. So see how it's in there just like that? I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm just gonna push straight up on it. All right. Doing the same thing to the other side. Yes, you have a lot of, in my situation, you have a lot of cord in here. If you want, you could get a zip tie and mount it up further if you want, choose to. Now after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my selection on how bright I want it to be. Since we're working in here now, in this living room, we'll make it extremely bright. So I wanna be able to see when I'm working on something. I installed the same lights in the office, but since it's like it's supposed to be white, but I feel like it has like a little yellowish tint to it. So what I ended up doing, I took some masking tape, I taped off the light, and I scuffed the trim, and I painted it bright white in the office. But that's it, done. You go over to your switch on the wall, and you turn it on. So now you have this one light that's LED, okay? And I have to do the same thing for this one, and this one. I also have to do the same thing for this one as well, but the lights only come forward to the box. So, you know, I bought 6 boxes, but I don't feel like opening up another box just for that one. For right now, this will do just fine. So I have these 2 on this side and another one on this side remaining. So 3 total left to get it done. So yeah, there it is. Bill's done right. It is what it is, straightforward, straight to the point, no extra, you know. You want to go from that ugly, dingy looking color or warm looking color to extremely bright, you can do that with this light. 5 settings, easy is as easy does. Go to the store, find you a box. That's the model number. That's the different settings or colors. Warm white, soft white, neutral white, bright white, and daylight. And that's it. 5 and 6 inch existing holes, these work for. Have a good one.